Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. In this video, we are going to do test mode. We are going to set the Ford Focus on test mode, and this is how you do it. I'm gonna tell you guys how what the sequence is for the test that your car's computer automatically does. But before we do that, we're going to talk about test mode and how you guys can get to test mode. All right, first what you're going to do is you're going to hold down your odometer reset button. You're going to turn your key and start the car. You're going to continue holding the button for a few seconds, and then at that point you get into test mode, where you can scroll through a bunch of different readings by pressing the button. All right, and here are all the things that all the functions that it tests for. It could do a gauge sweep for all gauges to carry out that test sweep. The LCD test makes all the LCDs light up. There's going to be a bulb test lights, making sure that all are functioning and all the cluster bulbs are functioning. There's going to be a ROM level displays the instrument cluster, ROM revision level. NVM level displays the instrument cluster NVM revision level. You're going to have a DTC diagnostic trouble codes. If you guys have trouble codes, you can read the trouble codes. You guys have a check engine light. There's going to be a road speed, miles per hour, road speed, kilometers per hour, RPMs, fuel volume, engine coolant temperature, battery voltage check, ABS. Fair displays ABS raw input, electronic brake distribution failure, illumination, H on, L off, crank sense. A lot of these stuff I'm not quite sure what it tests for, but there's about 16 to 20 or so functions that this test mode tests for. All right, hopefully that helps you guys out. If you guys have any questions, or if you guys have any of your own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Like I said before, I'm not quite sure what all of these tests are done for, but a lot of these tests are rudimentary and pretty general to the working of the vehicle. All right guys, please give me a thumbs up again. Please comment, please what else, comment, thumbs up, all that good stuff. All right guys, take care.